Hello all. I'm here to ask a question. While you're driving a car and if a wheel gets punctured, will you be able to ride your car? I know you are saying, what a question, Sushma. Yes, you cannot drive your car smoothly if a wheel is punctured. Similarly, we have a wheel of life, which is also known as life balance wheel, which we need to be aware of. Because if the wheel is bumpy, we cannot have a smooth ride. It's a very simple and easy to use visual tool that helps us identify where exactly we stand in our lives. It was invented by late Paul J. Mayer, who founded Success Motivation Institute in 1960. In this busy world, it's sometimes really hard to see how we really feel. Sometimes it might be appearing that we are very happy, but when we deep dive within, we realize that there are certain lacks, there are certain areas that need improvement. It helps us understand where do we stand now, how balanced are we, how fulfilled are we. Thus, eventually it helps us know the areas that we need to work on, that needs improvement, and that areas which we are already good at. It tells us what is and what isn't working in our lives. It's extremely powerful and flexible tool. It's very easy to use. I'll be sharing the link in the comment box. You can use those links. There are free assessments available for same. Now let's see how does it work. There are 8 to 10 areas of life which an assessor needs to assess. And the scoring is between 1 to 10, 1 being the lowest and 10 being the highest. So you need to choose what is your score, and once all the facets are scored, a pictorial presentation in form of pie will appear and you will see how does your wheel look like. You all must be knowing the helicopter shot in cricket. Similarly, we hit the scores in all areas of our lives using this tool, and that gives a wholesome picture of our life. It gives us a helicopter view of all the areas of our life, such as health, finance, career, family, etc. The aim is to become self-aware, motivated and action taker, to have a life which we are dreaming of and fulfill it for our own selves. This also helps in goal setting. How? When we do Wheel of Life assessment, we come to know what exactly we are looking for and where are we lacking. So this tool helps us to find those areas and work towards them by setting goals. You also learn to prioritize because it gives a wholesome picture. You will know which area to work on first. So it helps us to prioritize as well. Another important point is it helps us to envision how our life will be. As Tony Robbins says, too many people are caught up with making a living and not designing their life. This tool renders an opportunity to design your own life. It shows us that all the areas are very important in our life and nothing can be ignored. Everything needs to be worked on and give equal importance. If some of the areas are ignored, then the wheel becomes bumpy and you're not able to ride your life smoothly. I would like to add here, this assessment is not one-time assessment and you need to keep doing it at regular intervals because it helps us to understand where do we stand right now and where you want to be. Do regular check-ins, say quarterly, to understand how the journey has been so far. You will notice that eventually your scores have increased. The next step, very important, is to dig deep and ask powerful questions to discover what specifically is getting in your way of ease and happiness. Ask powerful questions like, what exactly am I looking for? Where am I right now? How do I see myself? Where do I want to be in each and every area of your life? Then brainstorm and come with an action plan to improve the wheel of your life so that it runs smoothly. Yes, we all wish to have a smooth life. Identify the actions that raise the level of satisfaction for you. I would summarize in one last statement saying it's a powerful tool that helps you know where you are and where you want to be. Use it and let me know your views on it. Thank you.